Today I'm going to show you how to bend text on Canva. This is super easy to do, but it can have so many applications. You might want it for a social media post, for a print-on-demand design, loads of different things. So let's dive in and I'll show you how to do it. So first of all, let's just create a design. We'll just do a square one. And we're going to do two different text pieces, one bending that way and one bending that way. So all I'm going to do is to add a text box, and we won't worry, let's just do a Mary. No, actually let's just make it a bit longer so you can see it, and then I just duplicate that, and at the bottom I'm going to put Happy New Year. Obviously it doesn't matter what the text is, it doesn't matter what the font is. So we're going to just make it a little bit bigger just so it's easy for you to see. Okay, so then all you do, we'll just make that a tiny bit bigger, is you click on this, the text that you want to change, so just make sure you're clicked into it, and then you go to Effects, scroll down, and we want, you see at the moment you're on None, and we want Curve. So that immediately curves it. Just scroll down a little bit more, and then you can change that so you can make it more curved or less. Now, if you want the curve to be the same on the bottom one, but the opposite way, then just note to yourself what the curve is. So we've done 65 here. And then you can obviously move it around, and there's, you can just experiment with that. Obviously you can also, if you want to, space it out a bit more. So if you ever want to space something, you can do line spacing and letter spacing. So obviously the letter spacing is the distance between the letters, and you can expand that a little bit more as well. So that can make a difference too. So we'll keep that on 105. Then we want to do this one. So again, we go to Effects, we go down to Curve, but this time we want it curving the other way. So we just go down into the negative, but we're going to have it to the same extent as the top one. So we're going to go down to 65. You can see there. And then obviously if you want to also, you can go to your letter spacing. You don't have to, you can just have a look, play, see what you like. And then obviously you could put like maybe a design in the middle. You're going to be using this for lots of different applications. But that's basically it. Once you've done it, you can download it. You can either download it as is, or you can download it with a transparent background. I'll just show you those two options. So if you're going to download, then you've got PNG. I would tend to do that because it's going to be better quality. And then if you want to have a transparent background, then you just click that, download it, and save it to your computer. I hope that's been helpful. If you want more tips like this on Canva, then please do subscribe to the channel. And if you've ever got any questions on anything, but including Canva, then always just leave them in a comment, because I can always create a quick video to show you how to do something. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.